It is time to change the oil in the F-150 again. Do all my own maintenance there. If you don't, I recommend that you do. And this time I thought I would experiment. I have seen these things advertised, and I've wondered if they're worth it or not. This is a Fumoto ball valve that you replace your drain plug with. I have a situation where the drain plug in the F-150 it's a little bit jimmied up, so I need to replace the drain plug anyway. And I thought, yeah, this would be a good opportunity to try one of these and see if they work. The basic idea is that you replace the drain plug and you put this in there once, then you never have to take it out, and you use this lever to open and close the valve to drain your oil from then on. So I know some of you guys are thinking, oh yeah, that's a problem waiting to happen. I don't know, maybe it is or not. I did go ahead and purchase a separate regular drain plug, magnetic drain plug, in case this guy doesn't work for some reason. Then I do have an actual replacement drain plug that I'm going to use. So in theory, this should be the last time I ever have to remove my drain plug. We'll see. But we'll give this a shot, see if it's worth the money. So these little ball valves come in a few different configurations. This is the lowest profile one I could get. Test number one, pour some oil in it and see if it leaks. So I don't have any obvious leaks, right? So this guy's snugged up, and I don't have any leaks here. And the oil filter, I'm not getting any leaks there, so I got that back on correctly. So if you're like me, the next obvious question is, does this thing actually do what it's supposed to do? So I've got 5 quarts of oil. This truck holds about 7 1/4 quarts. So I'll add some more, but I've got enough in there now to flip this lever and see if it works. I want to try to catch it since this is good oil. I don't know where it's going to go. fill up. And out comes the oil. Just like that. Okay, I'm not going to drain anymore, so that works. Now, what happens when I close it? Does it drip? Doesn't do anything weird there. As you would expect, I mean, it's going to have a little bit of oil there. So, oh yeah, one thing I forgot. So also, if you're like me, your next obvious question is, what keeps something for coming up off the road, hitting this lever, somehow magically pushing it up 1/8 of an inch and then sliding it 90 degrees, or even sliding it a little bit would open it up. But it's this little plastic clip, which I will be ordering multiple of these because eventually that's going to break. But this guy slides right over there and clips on. I could be more comfortable if that were more secure. That's a little weak for my taste, but it is what it is. So I would have to run over something that came up and knock the plastic thing off, push the lever up, and turn it back this way in order to get it to start draining oil. Pretty slim chance of that, I think. I'll go ahead and finish filling it up with oil, drive it for a couple of weeks. I'll check it every now and then. If this were an off-road vehicle, I don't know that I would be so comfortable with this mechanism down here, but this is primarily a road truck, so I don't really foresee me going over rocks and that sort of thing. So I will do a follow-up video after a week or two and check in to see how this guy's doing. All right, air filter change, oil filter change, got the oil, got everything all done, got it all put back together. Oil change is really not that difficult. Maybe this little gimmick will maybe make it a little easier. I don't know. Might be a total pain in the butt. Might start leaking. I'll just have to yank it out and put my other plug back in. But check back with me in 2-3 weeks. I don't know. I'll do another video, kind of an update to let you know what I think about it. If I don't like it, I'll take it out. I'll put a regular drain plug in. But I don't know. Could be kind of fun. But thanks for watching. Have a great day.